Welcome to the International News Channel, News LD. Today we present to you a news entitled,
New Mexico Governor signs bill protecting access to reproductive and gender-affirming care into law. New Mexico Democratic Governor Lujan Grisham on Thursday signed into law a bill that prohibits native municipalities and different public bodies from inferring with an individual's skill to access reproductive or gender-affirming well-being care providers. HB 7, the Reproductive and Gender-Affirming Well-Being Care Freedom Act, additionally prohibits any public physique from imposing legal guidelines, ordinances, insurance policies or laws that stop sufferers from receiving reproductive or gender-affirming care. The transfer comes within the wake of the reversal of federal abortion rights final and as a number of states have enacted measures to stop minors from accessing gender-affirming care. Gender-affirming care is medically mandatory, evidence-based care that makes use of a multidisciplinary method to assist an individual transition from their assigned gender, the one the individual was designated at beginning, to their affirmed gender, the gender by which one desires to be recognized. New Mexicans in each nook of our state deserve protections for his or her bodily autonomy and proper to well-being care, Lujan Grisham mentioned in a media launch. I'm grateful for the onerous work of the legislature and group companions in getting this crucial laws throughout the end line. Every violation of the law can lead to a fantastic of $5,000 or damages, if the quantity is larger, in accordance to the bill. The law follows ordinances that a number of municipalities within the state had beforehand handed associated to abortion care access after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade final summertime. Whereas abortion is authorized in New Mexico, a number of GOP-led states have launched or enacted measures limiting abortion, together with Texas and Oklahoma, which have banned the process in any respect phases of being pregnant with restricted exceptions. In response, New Mexico, which neighbors each states, allotted $10 million to construct a brand new abortion clinic close to the Texas border. A number of different Democratic-controlled states have moved to reaffirm reproductive care in response to the Supreme Court's landmark ruling. Minnesota's Democratic governor signed a bill into law earlier this year that enshrined the basic proper-to-access abortion within the state. Finally, California handed a number of payments increasing abortion access, together with protections for abortion suppliers and sufferers looking for abortion care within the state from civil motion began in one other state. As states transfer to enact measures, new authorized challenges may additionally complicate abortion access in a post-Roe America. A federal court docket in Texas heard arguments this week to block the U.S. Meals and Drug Administration's approval of mifepristone, one of many two medication utilized in the drugs abortion, which made up greater than half of U.S. abortions in 2020, in accordance to the Guttmacher Institute. Although the Trump-appointed CHOOS has not issued a ruling, he instructed throughout arguments that he's severely contemplating undoing the FDA's approval. Additionally, in danger is access to gender-affirming care for trans youth, which LGBTQ advocates have lengthy care warn is life-saving well-being care. To date lawmakers in Tennessee, Mississippi, Utah and South Dakota have enacted laws to limit minors' access to such care. Moreover, greater than 80 payments looking for to limit access to gender-affirming care have been launched across the nation by early final month, in accordance to knowledge compiled by the American Civil Liberties Union and shared with News LD.